F8 flat 83 mil burr here, which I believe it's the top of the line for Compak. Today we will actually explore the functions and features on this grinder together. Okay, so the power button is here. I'm just gonna click on it. We have the Compak logo here with the essential number V137. So as soon as it comes up, we do have 1, 2, 3 different adjustments and settings we can actually program for different maybe coffee or different overall calibrations. Also here with this button here, the green button here, we can just freely grind, and you know, it starts grind coffee actually start coming out of the spout. Plus the button here also does the same job as this one here. So you click, it starts, and this one also starts the grinding. What I found fascinating about this is you don't have the adjustments here just like other Compak grinders, and we do have it here, which if I increase or decrease, we will see the results simultaneously here, which is quite useful actually. So as you can see, I can just find my to-go espresso dial in and save it here, and after that it saves here, and it shows while whenever I change it, it shows, and while I'm on it, it's green, and yeah, it's working like this. That's a cool function actually. So let's see how it works. When you open your F8 Compak grinder box, you will see some accessories included with the machine. I'll start with this one. As you can see, and as you know, Compak grinder has a special feature which two screws open and closing overall. So in the latest actually version of machines, we have this actually tool inside the box, which easily you can open 2 screws on the sides of the machine and access to burrs. So it's going to be pretty useful, and it's exactly the size you need for actually this burrs. After that, we do have 2 more Allen keys. These are small size Allen keys in order to adjust the depth, also size and height of the portafilter actually adjustments here. So as you can see, if I use this Allen key and just tighten or loosen this screw here, I can adjust the depth and also the height of the spout. Additionally, we do have 2 flaps here, which they will, in case you need it, you can use these 2 for increasing the grind accuracy and also the consistency of the size of the actually the batch. I'm gonna make a caramel macchiato, but in my own version kind of thing, so my own recipe and stuff. I'm gonna use Hollander caramel sauce for the base of the caramel macchiato. So I do have the shot glass here. I'm gonna use around 10 milliliters of the syrup, a little bit less, maybe 7. And on top of it, we're gonna extract our espresso. So let's do it. Portafilter is nice, clean and dry. Let's go for the coffee. Okay, I'll use my distributor, leveler, and my tamper. So I'm gonna extract on top of this. Double shot of espresso, and meanwhile I'm gonna use the cup and pitcher in order to steam the milk. So kind of like a cappuccino form. Okay, so I'll mix my caramel and espresso together, something nice and creamy. At this point is good.